Well, good morning. Tuesday. Here we go. I have to keep checking. For some reason, I'm having a tough time remembering what day of the week it is this week. Not a good thing when it's only Tuesday. But good morning. Meteorologist Nick Johnston coming to you live on Facebook and YouTube from the New School Center for Media in Albany. Today's weather, sponsored by A through Z, Builders and Remodelers. Right there. That's what their logo looks like. You might spot it. They've got shirts and sweatshirts with the matching logo. You might see them if you're out in Scotia. I know they're working on a total home rehab project out in Scotia. All right. Hey, for today, moving in from sunshine this morning, but clouds will thicken. Showers are moving in. And again, we'll see sun this morning. Of course, at this point, that was more than an hour ago. But within the next 1 to 2 hours or so, we'll start to see the showers getting a bit closer. 50s for many this morning, 40s and 50s, another cool start. Temperature-wise today, like yesterday, many of us will be staying in the 60s for highs. So today will definitely be at a bit of a cooler day. Those are below normal temperatures. Winds at about 5 to 15 miles per hour. Scattered showers, once they arrive by, say, the mid-morning, stay possible into the afternoon, gradually winding down. By the evening commute, maybe just a stray shower or two in spots. I think most of the shower activity will happen from the mid-morning into the middle afternoon, and then things should start quieting down. Could still be a few isolated showers through the late night hours tonight, but I think many will see a generally dry evening. All righty. Daily Almanac. And you might notice a few changes here on the Daily Almanac. I'm hoping everybody can see and hear me out there. I've been trying to get media working in here. I am not having a tremendous amount of success. So, not getting any feedback this morning, so I'm hoping everybody can see and hear me okay. All right. Anyway, I'm going to plug along and just hope for the best. 75 is the normal high, and we should be staying below that. In fact, maybe 8 or 9 degrees below that, about 66 or so, the expected forecast high for today. 53 would be the normal low. Well, we're fairly close to that this morning. 97 the record high, 39 the record low. Yesterday, we did register 0.41 inches of rain. That's significant. There were a few heavier showers embedded in some of the generally lighter rain many of us saw. That brings us to the month up to 0.63 inches. Still below the curve a little bit. We're behind in terms of rainfall for the year, which is nearly 15 inches of precipitation overall, daily record of 1.69 inches. That's set back in 1982. I've got some wind data for you. The average wind speed yesterday was only 6.7 miles per hour, but we did have a few gusts above 20 miles per hour. General direction of the winds yesterday was out of the southeast. Okay, that's the Daily Almanac. Let's take a look outside. Some of the webcams from around our area. This here is Cobleskill, where it is a bit of a cloudy start in Cobleskill. And yeah, that would make sense. When I show you the radar, you'll see why it's probably cloudy in Cobleskill. Here's what the Cohoes Falls look like right now. Beautiful morning here in Cohoes. This is what it looks like at Long Lake, New York. Neat shot. Very dramatic looking picture here, don't you think? Some low clouds. Also a few bright spots. A little bit of sun trying to break through there. Here's Long Lake from above. Oh, look at that. Lovely. So yeah, a lot of low cloud cover. But yes, there is a little bit of blue sky breaking through. Same kind of a picture here at Inlet, New York, where it's also mostly cloudy, but a little bit of blue sky. Here's what it looks like at Lake George. Hey, the Lake George webcam is back. It was down for a little while. But now it's back. Plattekill this morning, very green. Here's what Lake Placid looks like, those low clouds, making it so you cannot see the top of Whiteface Mountain. This is what the top of Whiteface appeared. You can barely make out the summit there. And this is what it looks like, neat shot too, here from North Adams, Massachusetts. Look at those low clouds in the mountains there. Very pretty looking picture here. But yeah, you can tell it might be raining soon there in North Adams. At least that's what those clouds look like. All right, so let's take a look at the actual radar now, see where those showers are. All right, there you go. You can see the rain right now moving in from the west, moving through places like Utica, through the Mohawk Valley, seeing those showers. Generally, most of those showers this morning, relatively light. So be looking for that. You still have a little bit of time to get out there this morning if you did want to go for a hike and you're waking up in, say, the Capital Region or Hudson Valley. You should have time to go for a walk this morning before those showers arrive. Otherwise, if it's a longer walk, you might want to bring an umbrella. Or if you're heading off to work this morning, might be worth packing that umbrella. Those showers, again, once they arrive, will stay scattered and possible as we head into the middle afternoon hours. You know, it's not going to be a washout. You can tell there are some big breaks here in the action. So it's not going to be raining all day, but it's a day where you may want to just have that umbrella on hand, because after about an hour to 2 hours from now, we'll have a chance for those scattered showers to stay with us into the second half of the day. All right, that's what the radar looks like right now, those showers right now, just near Cooperstown. Let me zoom in real quick, a little closer, and show you who is seeing the rain right now. You could see the direction they're headed for the Capital Region, Hudson Valley, and surrounding areas. But so far, we've got a ways to go. All right, let me close out the radar here. And talk temperatures. 40s and 50s. Cool, comfortable, nice night last night to have opened up some windows, let in that nice, crisp night air. 40s, 50s is how we start the day. We'll warm into the 60s today, but most of us will stay in the 60s. 66 degrees, the expected high, maybe 67 or so in spots, but that is below average. Normal high right now is 75. We're not going to get close to that today, but there are some much nicer days, warmer, summer-like weather ahead. Patience is all. And in the meantime, I think it's kind of nice. We haven't needed the air conditioners much this week. Not yet, at least. But there are some warmer days coming. All right, this is the temperature map right now. A quick look at the watches and warnings map. Don't need to spend much time on this because there is not much to see. No significant problems are expected in the near future. Here's the surface map showing what is bringing us this chance for some showers. A little frontal boundary moving in from the north and west. That's all. That's what's kicking up these few showers this morning. And it will continue to give us a chance, at least into the middle part of the afternoon. Might be a stray shower, even overnight tonight. But tomorrow, most of the area, I think, will manage to stay dry. Only a slight, very slight chance for a shower tomorrow. Most of us, I think, will get a pretty decent day tomorrow. And from there, we get a nice stretch of weather. Much of the weekend also looks pretty good. And warm will be the story as we head into the weekend and early next week. In the meantime, for today, yeah, we've got these few showers to deal with. A slightly cooler day. But overall, not a throwaway day today. It's not going to be a total waste. And for more on that, let me show you the forecast for today, tonight, and tomorrow. 66 or so today, with some showers moving in, staying cool. West wind 5 to 15 miles per hour. Overall, not a terrible day today. Tomorrow does look a little bit better, though. Tonight, 50. Might be a stray shower. Those should taper off and generally clear. And tomorrow will probably start mostly cloudy, but I think clouds will start to thin and break up as we head into the afternoon. I think most of us will make it through Wednesday rain-free. Slight chance maybe for an isolated shower, but right now, things are looking pretty good. Temperatures come up slightly. 68 degrees is still below average. It's not far off the mark. Normal being about 75. We're a little bit below that still tomorrow. North winds light at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Partial clearing, not a bad day tomorrow. Today won't be the worst day either. We'll just be dodging a few raindrops at times as we head through the day. So packing the umbrella, a good idea for today. Tomorrow you can probably leave the umbrella. 68 with some clearing and some breaks of sun. Not a bad looking day, but I think there's some nicer days, say on Thursday and Friday. Look at that. Thursday, partly cloudy, pleasant, and back to normal. 74 degrees. Thursday looks great. Not warm enough for you? Well, and you're going to like Friday. 80 degrees, the high on Friday with mostly sunny skies. Very nice. So how long does it last? Well, right now it looks like we will also start the weekend with some beautiful weather for Saturday. And Sunday won't be bad. Now, it does look like there might be a little frontal boundary, a little storm system coming in Saturday night into Sunday morning. Might bring with it a few showers, but it would definitely not be a washout Sunday. At least it does not look like a washout Sunday right now. The forecast looks pretty good. There might be a morning shower on Sunday, but we should see some clearing in the afternoon, and it definitely does not look like a waste of a day. You should still be able to get outside, say, if your plans take you there on Sunday. I don't think that should keep anybody indoors. Monday looks great, too. 74 with sunshine. It's pretty nice for early June. So we've got a lot of nice weather ahead. Today, you just gotta watch out for those few showers, though. No major problems are expected. Severe weather, not likely. So overall, things are looking great on the 7-day forecast. And looks like right now we'll get a pretty nice weekend, too, for outdoor plans, which we have not always seen. The past few weekends, there's been at least a few dicey days in the mix. This weekend looking a little better. Hey, hope your work week is off to a pretty good start. Thank you for joining me here on Facebook Live or on YouTube this morning, and I'll see you tomorrow morning.